about fighting. I am your host, Bert Splenda, here with my esteemed friend and guest for this evening's show, Sweet Melon Fitzwater.
Nice to be here.
Sweet.
Nice to be here.
It's always good to have you around.
I have so many memories with you. I've seen you do things that are frankly disgusting.
No personal stories this hour. We're gonna keep it strictly to the sweet science. I remember one of the first times I seen you fight. It was a Golden Gloves tournament in South Lansing, and you were going up against a young boy by the name of Firepants Anthony Thomas. And Firepants was the one who originally gave you your name, Sweet Melon. That was why they would throw sweet at the beginning of your name, Sweet Melon.
They call me Sweet Melon because I was so good at boxing. They said, that boy, he's sweet at boxing.
Oh, God, I really love that story. It brings tears to my eyes. That reminds me of a fighter I knew named Phillip the Washing Machine Bryan. And that guy had a right hand. It was like Thor was yelling at you through a cloud. That reminds me of a fighter that we called Alan Grape Punch Phillippi. He was a Mexican fella. He had, his flurries were like a snowstorm. Punches and bunches, punches and bunches, punches and bunches. That's why we called him Grape.
You know what the snow reminds me of? Snowflake Sam.
Oh, yeah.
Snowflake Sam can ball you up like a snowman. He ball you up like a snowman, he put the carrot in your face like a nose. And by carrot, I mean left hook.
Oh, God.
You get me riled up. I love talking about fighters.
I love it. Tell me another one. This is taking me down memory lane.
Oh, let me tell you about Slick Willy Dick Johnson III.
Oh,
you know why they called him the third?
Why?
Because he never went past the third round.
Oh, my God.
He wasn't even, his dad was named something completely different.
And they just called him the third?
Yeah. And the other part was because he had a sweet dick.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
That makes sense. That reminds me of a guy that I used to remember. His name was Patrick Frank Sinatra McMurphy. And that guy, he used to get back in there and he'd say, bop, bop, ba, 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 boop, bop, bee, da, 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 boom. And it would be like music to my ears. The AYGO Rockport used to have this jaw that was like iron.
Oh, man. It was amazing. It's too bad he got hit in it so much.
You would hit that thing, it would go dong! Like you hit a big iron. It's like you took a mallet to the Statue of Liberty.
It was a lot like going to the fair. You ever go to the fair and you take the thing like this and you go boom, 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 and it goes all the way to the top.
That reminds me of that iron jaw he had on him.